Hello and welcome to Nightmare Before Christmas alphabet stamps. First prepare your fondant and put some cling film over. One of my ladies told me about this trick and it's quite good. Take out the letters and place them on top where you want them, on top of the cling film and fondant. Do this for each of the letters and then push down with the paddle so as you get them all in the same place and even. Push down quite firmly, but not too firmly, you don't want to be squashing a cake. Once those are squashed down, just peel away the cling film, and once that's peeled away it'll leave a nice indent on your cake or fondant board. Get a very thin paintbrush and whatever paint you're wanting to paint it with, make sure it's edible, and just paint each of the letters inside the indent on the side of your cake or on the board. Do it very carefully. If you make a little mark on the outside, don't worry about it too much, just use a damp paintbrush to take that off. And there is the finished result. Thanks for watching, and I will put a link in the menu bar at the bottom where you can buy these stamps. Thanks.